3 claims, 1 account, and a full day of AI debate on X. Today we're looking at what Elon Musk said about Grok in the last 24 hours, and more importantly, what those claims actually hold up to before anyone builds on them. First, background agents. Musk described using Grok agents in what he calls background mode, accessible through .grok/agents or the dashboard. The idea is that these agents can spawn sub-agents and keep running tasks without someone watching every step. And instead of prompting a model and waiting for a reply, you set a goal, and the system keeps working, creating further agents underneath it as needed. That sounds like a productivity gain, and for some workflows it probably is. But here's the part that matters for anyone building in a regulated environment. The EU AI Act includes human oversight requirements for higher risk uses. If an agent is spawning sub-agents and making decisions without a logged review step, that's not just a technical detail, it's a governance gap. Before you deploy something like this, the question isn't just what can it do, it's who signs off on what it does and where is that recorded. Capability without an audit trail is a liability waiting to surface later, not a shortcut. Second claim, privacy. Musk said that running the /privacy command in Grok deletes all previously synced data, not just data going forward. He framed this as going beyond what's typical across the industry. On the surface, that's a strong statement about user control, but there's a distinction worth making clearly. A vendor building a command that deletes stored data is not the same thing as a verifiable, independently auditable erasure process that satisfies a formal legal standard. Under GDPR, the right to erasure isn't just about a company saying it deleted something, it's about being able to demonstrate that deletion happened consistently and that it can be checked. So for EU enterprises evaluating this kind of tool, the claim itself is useful information, but it is not, on its own, compliance. Ask for the documentation, ask how it's verified. A press-worthy feature is not automatically a legal safeguard. Third, the acceleration claim. Musk said Grok, quote, seems to be accelerating the fastest, at least for now, in the context of overall AI model progress. Yeah, that's a strong statement, and it got real engagement. But notice what's missing. There's no specific benchmark named, no dataset, no third-party comparison. It's a founder's read on his own company's trajectory. That matters because self-reported momentum is exactly the kind of claim that tends to shape buying decisions before the evidence catches up. If you're an EU team evaluating infrastructure, a statement like this should register as a marketing signal, not a technical result. The right response isn't to dismiss it outright, it's to ask for the independent benchmark before committing budget, before locking into an ecosystem, before treating speed claims as settled fact. So across all 3 of these, there's a pattern, an autonomy feature, a privacy feature, and a performance claim, all described by the same person, all picked up widely on X, and all worth a second look before they inform a real decision. Capability claims from any single source, however credible, are a starting point for due diligence, not the end of it. For builders working under EU rules, or any enterprise that has to answer to auditors, regulators, or customers about how their AI systems behave, the lesson is straightforward. Get the oversight logging in place before you turn on autonomous agents. Get the erasure process documented before you rely on a deletion command, and get the independent numbers before you believe the acceleration story. That's the briefing for today. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe. We do this every day, grounded in what's actually being said, not what's being assumed. You can also get our free weekly AI signal brief by email. The link is in the description. And if your team is building with AI and wants a sovereign, EU-based second opinion, we offer a free consult. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.